Hello. Are you ready for the adventure?
Hi, I am a little scared. Is it high?
Yes, this is a mountain trail.
Trail? What is a trail?
A trail is a path, a small road for walking.
Oh, a path in the woods. I see.
Wait, I see a woman behind that tree. Who is she? She is looking at us.
Oh, I can explain. She is my sister. She is shy.
Oh, I am sorry. I thought it was a stranger.
It is okay. I am also very shy. My English is bad.
Please do not be shy. Your English is very clear.
Thank you. I make many mistakes when I speak.
Mistakes are okay. That is how we learn. You are doing great.
Thank you, Sam. You are very kind.
We must check your equipment now.
Equipment? What is that?
Your boots and bag, things you need for the hike.
Oh, my hiking shoes. I have them.
Good. The path is very steep.
Steep? What does steep mean?
It means going up fast, like a wall.
Ah, it is hard to climb. I understand.
Yes, do not get dehydrated.
Dehydrated? What is that?
It means your body needs water. You must drink.
I have water. Thank you for the lesson.
You are welcome. Let us start the adventure.
Okay, let's go.
Hello, Kenji. Checking your apartment?
Yes, but the lights.
Are they too bright?
No, I forgot them.
Oh, we must save energy.
Why? Is it expensive?
Yes, and it hurts nature.
I want to help.
Use energy-efficient bulbs first.
What is energy efficient?
It means using less power.
Oh, like the LED?
Exactly. They stay cool.
I will buy those.
Also, watch for phantom power.
Phantom? Like a ghost?
Yes, some appliances use power.
Even when they are off?
Yes, like your TV or your toaster.
I see. I am sorry.
Sorry for what, Kenji?
My English, it is slow.
Do not worry. You are clear.
I feel shy speaking here.
You are doing great, honestly.
Thank you, David. I understand.
Just unplug the toaster.
I will unplug everything.
Not the fridge, please.
Thank you for teaching me.
My pleasure. See you later. Hello, I need a cake.
Hi there. What kind?
For a birthday. Big one.
We have many flavors. Vanilla?
No, my friend likes cocoa.
Oh, you want chocolate batter.
Batter? Like a baseball?
No, it is the liquid.
The liquid cake before baking.
Exactly. That is the batter.
Okay, chocolate batter, please.
Do you want pink frosting?
Frosting? Is that ice?
No, it is the sugar.
Ah, the sweet cream outside.
Yes, we can make it customized.
Customized? That word is long.
It means special for you.
Sorry, my English is slow.
Do not worry, Arav.
I feel very nervous speaking.
You are doing great, honestly.
Thank you. I am learning.
Your English is very clear.
I want his name here.
Perfect. We will write it.
Thank you. You are very kind, Chloe.
See you on Saturday.
Hello. What games are here?
Hi. Americans love football.
Like soccer? With feet?
No, we use our hands.
But It is called football.
Yes, it is very popular.
How do they score?
They get a touchdown.
Touchdown? What is that?
It means crossing the line.
Focused. 6 points, right?
Exactly. You are very smart.
Is the game long?
Yes, there are 4 quarters.
Quarter. Like a coin?
No, it means 4 parts.
Ah, 4 parts of time.
Correct. People also tailgate.
Tailgate. Like a car?
Yes, eating outside the stadium.
Sorry, my English is slow.
Please do not worry, Kavi.
I feel nervous talking sports.
Your English is very clear.
Thank you. I am learning.
Correct. Mistakes are how we learn.
I want to watch football.
Let's go this Sunday.
Thank you for teaching me.
You are welcome. See you.
Hello, I have a problem.
Hello. How can I help?
My suitcase, it is gone.
Did you check the claim?
Claim? What is that?
The moving belt for bags.
Oh, the baggage claim.
Exactly. Did you see it?
No, the belt stopped.
I need your luggage tag.
Tag like a sticker?
Yes, on your ticket.
Here it is. Is this it?
Yes, this is the code.
What is the description?
It means how it looks.
It is black, very big.
Okay, we will find it.
Sorry, my English is bad.
Do not say that, Arjun.
I feel very nervous today.
Your English is very clear.
Thank you. I am trying.
Mistakes are how we learn.
You are very kind, Elena.
We will call you soon.
Thank you for your help.
Have a nice day, Arjun.
Hello, I need a car.
Hi, is this your first?
Yes, my first American car.
That is very exciting.
I want a cheap one.
We have used cars here.
Are they good cars?
Yes, they are certified.
Certified. What is that?
It means the mechanic checked.
Ah, so it is safe.
Exactly. It is like new.
How many miles on it?
We call that the mileage.
Mileage. Is that the distance?
Yes, low mileage is better.
Okay, I want low mileage.
Do you have a down payment?
Down payment.
The first money you pay.
Oh, I am sorry.
For what, Arjun?
My English, it is slow.
Do not worry, you are clear.
I feel very shy today.
Your English is great, honestly.
Thank you. I am learning.
Mistakes are how we learn.
I like this red car.
Let's take a test drive.
Thank you for your help.
My pleasure. Let's go.
Thank you. I am trying.
Mistakes are how we learn.
You are very kind, Elena.
We will call you soon.
Thank you for your help.
Have a nice day, Arjun.
Hello? Is my food here?
Yes, I am outside.
Where is the door?
I am at the drop-off.
Drop-off? What is that?
The place I leave bags.
Oh, near the gate.
Exactly. It is safe.
I see a delivery fee.
That is for the driver.
Is it a tip?
No, it is the cost.
Cost for the travel?
Yes, tips are extra.
I am sorry, Caleb.
For what, Samsak?
My English, it is bad.
No, you're doing great.
I feel shy speaking English.
Your English is very clear.
Relieved. Thank you. I am learning.
Mistakes are how we learn.
I have my noodles now.
Please give a rating.
Rating? Like a star?
Yes, 5 stars is best.
I will give 5.
Thank you. Enjoy your meal.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.